The stage was ready. Excitement buzzed through the crowd. A clever bird, with emerald feathers and a twinkling eye, hopped nervously to the microphone. He took a deep breath. "I'm gonna make them laugh," he thought. The parrot shivered with anticipation. Then, a clumsy move. A splash of water flew straight toward the beloved mentor. The crowd gasped, then erupted in laughter. Laughter filled the air, but the feathered fool wasn't done yet. "I guess that's how you cool down a hot head," he chirped, pointing playfully. The mentor's bald head shone like a sunbeam. "Is that all you've got?" he thought, torn between annoyance and delight. Voices rose in unison. "More, more," they chanted. One cheeky bird could not resist the call of the audience. Suddenly, inspiration sparked. The mentor stepped forward, joining the fun. "Let's see who can mimic better," he announced, and the crowd roared. The mentor strutted, mimicking the feathered jester perfectly. Laughter soared, echoing in the hearts of everyone watching. In that moment, they were no longer teacher and student. They were partners in hilarity, united by laughter. Together, they bowed. A shared joy lit up the stage, filling the town with warmth and laughter, side by side. "Who knew we were a perfect team?" the feathered one crooned. The mentor laughed, nodding. "Let's do this again." Laughter echoed far and wide. In the town of Valad, friendship had bloomed through the art of hilarity, leaving everyone smiling.